Okay, here we are here at TCB USA, a bike specific for our racer. I'm going to go over some of the features and options that we've done and that our rider likes. First off, we do a full suspension upgrade on his bike, custom front fork valving to accept his riding style. We also do an upgrade on Elka shock to a stage 5, which gives you a little more adjustability, obviously for his riding style also. Couple other things we do with these is we reinforce and strengthen everything for the jumps and stuff that he does. We also run a flexible brake on it to help him when he corners. He rubs so much that he needs to move cornering, so that has to be a thing for him. In this bike, we also do quite a bit of mods to the motor to, first of all, make it a little more reliable, also to make it perform out of the corners a lot better for him. First thing we do is we upgrade clutch to MB factory billet aluminum with a lightened clutch for higher RPMs on the motor and longer life. We also get into cylinder head work, different camshafts, different pistons, different crank. Pretty much make this more bulletproof. Horsepower over a stock bike, you're looking at 19 horsepower to the back wheel usually on a 190. This one will push almost 30 horsepower, so quite a bit of difference in power. We also use on this one the same as our stock bike, 32 millimeter carburetor. We also utilize our oil cooler to use as much oil as possible, thick lines, holding as much oil to cool the motor as we can. We have carbon fiber anywhere we can lose weight. Flexible shift lever, same on all of them. Different foot pegs, wider stance, more support. Custom graphics, all our bikes come with the custom graphics, and we can design anything that a customer wants with them. Handlebars, unique to our rider here, Mr. Shine. He likes low handlebars. Handlebars that are shorter keeps him lower to the ground. He likes this. Some riders do, some riders don't. Some riders like to have wider and taller bars. We can adjust any TCB for any of that. This is his preference. We have ProMotion throttle on this to make it a little bit easier. We like the LM exhaust. It's been working really good numbers with it. Also comes stock on our stockers. So this is our race bike, and we love it. Over
Okay.
now.
Bye.